Hi, in this video, we will check how to calculate age of a person. For this, we have taken example of some country heads with their date of birth. This is a list of youngest serving country heads. So some of them are here with the list of date of birth of each of them. So the simplest way of calculating age is to subtract from current date minus date of birth. So we will take an example of today. Suppose we are subtracting this date from today. So today minus this date of birth. I have converted this data into table. That is why this is coming like this. So these are the days. This is the age of this person in days. So how will you calculate the year of this person? We will simply divide this formula with 365. We will get our answer in days in proper year format. Convert it into comma style. The age is 36 years, 36.38 years, 36.51 years, 36.61 years, and so on. So this is the simplest way to do so. Another method, we can use dated if function to calculate the precise age of the person. So the dated if formula, dated if nothing is coming because this is not documented by Microsoft Excel yet. So the dated if function is like start with this comma up to which date we want to calculate this age. Suppose we are calculating as on today. So and the last one is how many years. This can be calculated in years, months and days in a separate columns. So the age is 36 years. Now we calculate age months. Similarly, we copy this formula from here and paste here. Instead of y, now we will calculate ym. How many months? There is a possibility that some months are left after the age of 36 years is completed. After this age, suppose after this is calculated in 36, this is calculated in years only. But there is a possibility there are some days or months are still left. So we will calculate the months with similar formula. So the method is ym. We will calculate months. How many months are left after this age? So the 4 months are left. 4 months are still left. We will copy the format. Similarly, we will copy again the format for the next that is days. There is a possibility that some days are still left after completion of some months. So we will calculate now the days. We will copy same formula again and paste it here and change it to MD. Means how many days are left after completion of such 4 months. So 8 days are still left. So the age of this person is 36 years, 4 months and 8 days. If you want to add years as word, you can add it in text format, years by EARS space, then again inverted commas, copy it down. If you want to add months as text, put months in inverted commas and paste it down. Then again for days, you can put and start inverted commas, days as text and paste it down. You can concatenate these three cells or put all these three formulas in one cell. Suppose we are doing this again and again this, but this is not years, this is months. No need of this equal to sign, and this is MD, sorry, YM. This is YM, and lastly and this formula again. No need of equal sign. This is MD, and the text is day. So the age is coming in single cell like this. You can put it this way, or the choice is yours. This is age. Whatever format you require, you can put it. So these are the simple methods to calculate age of a person. Thank you so much, friends.